Welcome to Startup Showcase. How many of you have been watching this series throughout the day before? We got a few of you. Okay, so everyone who's new, the structure of this is pretty simple. Rapid fire 2-minute pitches from all these startups that are focusing in this section on data science as it applies to industry. Give it up for Forward Security, Inc. They make all software more secure.
Thank you. My name is Farshad. I'm the founder and chief security officer of Forward Security. I'm here to tell you about our Eureka DevSecOps Platform. Cybersecurity challenges are growing. The world is adopting software at an increasing rate. Every day, companies are digitally transforming. And software security is not simple. Reports have shown that since 2019, software has been the top attack vector. And you might all think that ransomware or malware are the reasons that the world is getting compromised, and in fact, it's software. And it's not a simple problem to solve. Software security can be really complicated. There could be a number of tools involved, automated and manual processes. There's a lot of data sources. You have to configure all these tools. Each tool provides its own report. You have to triage hundreds of issues that these tools provide. It can be complicated, and it requires subject matter expertise. In addition to that, it's time-consuming, and it's an erroneous process, and furthermore, without the right tools, it's difficult to find relationships between the different issues and try to get the full picture. In addition to that, a lot of the tools today are not designed for privacy. They upload all the vulnerabilities into a central cloud, which can be compromised. Enter Eureka DevSecOps. What we try to do with this platform is to make it all a lot easier. What we try to do is allow you to configure all your different tools that are involved in the process from a single place. We allow you to make the triaging a lot easier by aggregating and correlating the results, so you don't necessarily need subject matter expertise, and you can do that a lot more efficiently and increase your bottom line by saving hours and hours. We also enable you to fix the problems early before you deploy them to production. Statistics have shown that if the problems go into production, it's going to cost you about 30 times more to address them rather than fixing them earlier in the life cycle. Our platform also allows you to get a central view of risk by finding relationships between these issues and try to figure out where it matters most and where you should focus your precious efforts. If you're interested in this platform, check out forwardsecurity.com. We're giving away a MacBook if you get a demo. You can also buy it on the Azure Marketplace. Thank you very much.